It was absolutely fantastic, and thank you very much for helping me organise it, Andre, and the bike was really, really good. So yes, I did the 7 islands in 15 days, caught 11 ferries, and rode through on Mount Teide, is that right? Teide? There was snow on the top. I've driven in the winds, but it's all been a fantastic experience.
Your favourite island?
Favourite island, I think La Gomera had everything. It was like a mini Gran Canaria, which is a great. Gran Canaria is a great island. And what was very interesting, I went to Hierro. Is that right?
Yeah.
Which is has very few people. So I think I was there for 2.5 days, and I only overtook 2 cars. I only saw 2 cars, so that was great fun. Yeah, definitely. The whole experience, and Andre is very helpful where you need it. So yeah, I can fully recommend it.